the ELD mandate, anyone who may get behind the wheel of a commercial motor vehicle will need to be set up with a login. To do so, you're going to go ahead and navigate to the administration section and click drivers, and you'll want to set up any of your non-driver personnel, so your support personnel. This could be a supervisor, safety manager, yard hustler, mechanic, anyone who would potentially get behind the wheel of a motor vehicle and move it. So to create a new support personnel, you'll click the Add Drivers icon and click Support Personnel. From here, you'll fill out the required information, so the support personnel's first name and their last name. You can also add any of their other personal details. Next, you'll need to create their driver ID. This is the username that they will use to log into the driver display. And then their PIN, and this will be their password for logging into the display. We recommend that this is different for every driver or support personnel that you create, and we recommend it being something simple and easy that they can remember, such as the last 4 digits of their social security number or birthday. Go ahead and confirm the PIN. You can choose whether or not you want this PIN to have an expiration date, and then next you'll go ahead and click the Hours of Service section. So here, you're going to choose the regulation type, and this is where you'll choose support personnel. And the regulation, this is where you're going to indicate the type of personnel that this person is. So whether they're a fleet manager, mechanic, office staff, etc. For this example, we'll select office staff. You'll want to select the time zone that this person is located in. And then for the driver status enable, you can choose between yard move enabled, personal conveyance enabled, or both. Since a support personnel would likely be on the clock when they would be moving this vehicle, just yard move enabled should be most fitting for most personnel. Once you select this, you could go ahead and save and close, and you'll have successfully created a support personnel. So remember, with the ELD, anyone who gets behind the wheel of a vehicle will need to log into the display. Now, the system will not actually keep driver logs for all of your support personnel, but what it will do is it'll indicate to the ELD that it's a support personnel moving the vehicle so that it will not trigger unassigned drive time, and that is how you set up a support personnel.